To adjust gesture sensitivity for a smoother navigation experience on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap navigation bar. While the navigation bar is set to swipe gestures, tap more options. Next, drag the slider below gesture sensitivity to the left to decrease sensitivity or to the right to increase sensitivity. You can increase the sensitivity level if you often have difficulty doing gesture at the edge of the screen because maybe you are using a case for your phone, or you can decrease the sensitivity level if you often do gesture unintentionally. Given to the function, adjusting gesture sensitivity can help you navigate more smoothly, whether you prefer quick swipe or more deliberate gestures. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.